Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome to the Kevin Talks MP. What are the unsafety issues of unprofessional magnetic platens? Hello everyone, welcome to Kevin Talks MP. Today we are going to talk about the unsafety issues of unprofessional magnetic platens. When I talked about the safety of magnetic platens, we mentioned electrical monitoring. Magnetic platens need eyes and ears to ensure the mold is safely and stably clamped on the surface of the magnetic platen. Then the eyes as proximity sensors be equipped on all platen by local makers, no matter good quality or not. In short, when the mold is attached, proximity sensor will not alarm. Once the mold is pulled off from the magnetic platen, proximity sensor give alarm immediately. What I'm talking about here is pulling apart. This should be very serious point, because the professional magnetic platen always transmit the alarm signal to the injection molding machine at a suitable time point. Make the device come to an emergency stop. Avoid further risks. A proximity sensor that repeats consistently precise positions here act like smoke alarm detector on the ceiling. People can't wait for the fire to get big before calling the police. Also can't be disturbed by misalarm, which offers humidifier all day long either. May triggered by office humidifier. Imagine an unprofessional magnetic platen. After the customer's mold dropped down from the magnetic platen, it give an alarm to stop the injection molding machine. But at this moment, customer's already fallen into a trap. What's next? Magnetic force reading function as the ear of the platen. Manufacturers who actually own this technology, beside of the Tai Chi AMAG, all we can see is just a certain Western company brand. Of course, many other companies are promoting their magnetic force technology, but that is by entering the width and height of the mold back plate, and then projected onto the surface of the magnetic platen, to see how many magnetic poles are covered by mold platen. Then times the magnetic force of each magnetic pole at zero air gap. Calculate it step by step like this. Imagine if there are cavities on back platen of mold, or the mold back plate itself is uneven, or directly between the back plate and magnetic platen. Catch a lump of resin leaking from the injection nozzle. These are all air gap. Results in the magnetic force not reaching the maximum level. The calculation solution cannot deal with air gap. It just calculate based on covering pole area, to put the truth sensor beneath every magnetic poles, then to collect the data for magnetic reading. Only then can the magnetic force of each magnetic pole be truly reflected. This is a vital tool to help customers avoid pitfalls. We are the company that can provide this function to our customers. In addition, in the production process of magnetic platen manufacturers, the permanent magnets used are also differentiated. High-quality products and products with general selection of materials. There is no difference when no accident of mold pulling off. Just clamp the mold on it. After 2 to 3 years of use. Cheap permanent magnets which use the recycled materials. The magnetic force decreased gradually. Inexperienced users wait 2 to 3 years after the injection molding machine is installed with the magnetic platen. By then the problems will happen one after another. Then, I would like to ask the installation of magnetic platen. Give the injection molding machine something like the invisible bomb at no time certainly. Think about the risk, oh no. So let's stop it. The magnetic platen of the injection molding machine is come from the magnetic platen of the machine tool. Its technical details and logic control are based on the machine tool magnetic platen. There is a challenge for everyone. Is there any targeted technical improvement? Not every company who can produce magnetic plates for machine tools can produce magnetic platens for IMM as well. Certainly, if you are willing to get your own injection molding machine, jointly develop magnetic platens for your production with a certain MP manufacturer. That means to take some unknown risks initiatively. The last point is very important as well. Post-installation training. If the MP supplier's technology know-hows are good enough, the details involved are relatively comprehensive. The focus will also hit the point accurately. The training content will be relatively rich, because these are lessons and experience. But those company who complete installations provide as simple as pressing a few buttons operation training. That will definitely make customers get into trouble in the future. A truly professional magnetic platen manufacturer. How does it help you avoid pitfalls? What are the advantages in details? Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about above questions next episode. 1 alarm after the mold drop is not good enough. 2 calculated force is not real magnetic readings. 3 cheap permanent magnet materials is like invisible bomb. 4 no targeted logic control. 5 insufficient training content. The above 5 points will make trouble to customers sooner or later.
Welcome to Contact Us.